Hi, this is Anne. Today I want to show you a simple way to make yourself mixed media for your paintings or even scrapbooking or anything. I haven't got watercolor paper, so I'm just using plain copy paper at the moment. Just be careful, they can tear very easily. And I'm using a Pilot. Let me just see if I can. A Pilot G-Tech C4 pen that I'm using to sketch these. Usually they bleed a little bit when you put water with it, especially on your watercolor paper. I don't think they will bleed as much, but anyway, we're still gonna try. So I'm just going to fill in a little bit here and there, and I just want to make some marks and stuff, and then when I'm done I will see you, and then we'll start painting. So I will just speed this up. So I'm just going to do one that you can see. I don't want to bore you to death with everything I do here. So I'm just going to take out a little bit of my paints. Okay, I've got various colors here. I've got from an orange up to a magenta, green, turquoise, yellow. So we'll just see what we're going to do. I'm not going to put too much water with this. As I said, it will bleed a little bit. You can see if I wash over this, it gives it a little bit of a bleeding effect. Not as much as on the watercolor, but that's fine. Maybe I must just wet them everywhere, and then I can start to fill in the colors. I'm not going to worry too much. I'm just going to go for it, and hopefully they will come out nicely. I'm going to go over the corners a little bit, because over the lines a little bit, because I don't worry too much now. I'm going to cut them out. I wanted to work a little bit more with water, but I'm scared my paper is going to buckle too much. got a variety of pens here. I've got Pintors, I've got Poscas, I've got, it's most of them are Posca and Pintors. And then I've got a few extra ones, like these ones that I don't know. It's also an artist black marker, but Superior something, I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just play here. I just want to do too much. I just want to maybe just put an eye in. And maybe the little beak. Remember, I don't mind to go over the lines, because I'm going to cut out the birds anyway. So I'm trying not to press too much. I don't want that harsh black. I just want a hint of black here and there. I actually don't like that I've did there, but yeah, it's too late now. I can maybe just take a little bit of the green and just put a hint on top of the not too much. So I'm just taking lighter colors than my paint, and I'm just scribbling some marks onto them. And you can decide how much you want to put on, or what you like or what you don't like. I'm just going over that black. I don't like that black too much. I'm putting the pens on almost like a highlight. See if I can get a brown. I don't know if I've got a brown. Maybe I've got one. Let me just get another one. Okay, these I'm going to put in a little bit more of my black. I'm just coming lightly over it firstly. I don't want it too dark, but I will be maybe going over this. I think I'm going to maybe just go for it and go a little bit darker. You can always iron these that they lie flat when they dry, between two sheets of paper. And then you can use your gel medium and gel them down onto your canvas or your scrapbook or whatever you want. You can even take your Pilot G-Tac 4 again when this is dry, and you can maybe scribble into these areas a little bit more to define them if you like, or whatever. So you can do as much as you want on these. It's no wrong and there's no right. It all depends on how you feel and what you want to and where you want to use them. So you can tear them along the lines if it's possible, or you can take a wet, after they've dried and you want to stick them down, you can even take a wet brush, this thin round wet brush, and go around everything, and then it tears easier. But if you're scared you're going to take away some of your bird's anatomy or your butterfly, then you can just take a scissor and cut them out. And you can even go outside of the lines like that. It doesn't really matter. It all depends on what you like and what you don't. Well, if you know me, you will know I like to splatter. So these, I don't know, they need something. So I'm just going to splatter a little bit of black. I'm struggling now. Just like that. And I'm taking water and I'm thinning it down with my black paint, and I think that's enough. So now I will say goodbye, and I will see you definitely next time. Have a wonderful day.